Bellwethers from the textile manufacturing industry meet at ITMA, showcasing their innovation and setting new trends. The world of textile and garment manufacturing is evolving like never before. As we shift toward a digital and sustainable economy, discover game-changing innovations in advanced materials, automation and digital future, innovative technologies, sustainability and circularity. With exhibits spanning 20 sectors, ITMA is the only business platform that showcases the latest trends and solutions of the textile and garment value chain. Collaboration is key to innovation and development of the industry. Gain insights and explore partnership opportunities. Source a wide array of solutions and future-proof your business with innovations. Get access to ITMA Connect, the new online sourcing and knowledge hub that connects the global textile community. Visit other textile hubs and beautiful cities in Italy within 2 hours of a train ride from Milan. Be a part of ITMA 2023 and transform the world of textiles.